Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The brand's long history of producing sturdy chassis and its growing incorporation of contemporary automobile technologies are the main sources of excitement surrounding the possible 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. Based on Chevrolet's existing lineup and more general market trends in the recreational vehicle sector, educated estimates can be made, even though individual models and features are still subject to future announcements. Based on sturdy Chevrolet chassis platforms, it is plausible to assume that the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome lineup will include a variety of classes, probably including Class C and possibly even larger Class A models. These chassis have long been known for their dependability and strength, qualities that are highly prized in the rigorous world of motorhome use. The 2026 revisions would probably concentrate on improving ride quality and handling, maybe integrating cutting-edge suspension systems and improved steering mechanisms, with the goal of enhancing the long-distance driving experience overall, with an emphasis on a balance between power, fuel efficiency, and lower emissions. The 2026 Chevrolet RVs are anticipated to include upgraded gasoline and possibly diesel engines. It's also possible that more advanced transmission systems will be incorporated, providing smoother gear changes and improved performance on a variety of terrains. Additionally, it is possible that Chevrolet may investigate hybrid or even fully electric powertrains for specific motorhome models throughout this timeframe. In line with General Motors' larger electrification strategy, given the growing industry-wide interest in electrification, the 2026 Chevrolet RV's interior layout and technology integration are probably going to place more of an emphasis on connectivity, comfort, and convenience. More ergonomic driver cockpits, upgraded infotainment systems with bigger screens and smooth smartphone integration, and cutting-edge driver assistance capabilities targeted at enhancing safety and lowering driver fatigue are some examples of how this could seem. The living areas would probably put an emphasis on making the most of available space by employing creative storage options and adaptable furniture placements. Superior finishes and materials would provide a more upscale and homey atmosphere. Additionally, it may become more common for 2026 Chevrolet RVs to incorporate smart home technologies, enabling remote control of different vehicle features including lighting, entertainment systems, and climate control through specialized mobile applications. The demands of contemporary travelers would be met by improved connectivity features, such as strong Wi-Fi and integrated navigation systems with real-time traffic updates. In summary, it is anticipated that the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome portfolio would expand on the brand's solid chassis engineering heritage while embracing developments in interior design, riding comfort, powertrain economy, and technology integration. In order to meet the changing demands and expectations of the motorhome market, these advancements would seek to offer a more upscale, cozy, and technologically sophisticated recreational vehicle experience. However, subsequent formal announcements from Chevrolet will ultimately establish exact specifics about vehicles, features, and specifications.